Let's talk about how to add more eSIM or more than one eSIM on your iPhone. So this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is an eSIM version. There is no SIM card slot. So now to add more than one, you need to go into setting and go into cellular. After that, you're gonna click on add eSIM right here. Click on it. And then click on other option. And I'm gonna use QR code because we need to scan it. After that, you should be able to activate it. Click on continue. Now it is complete. Click on done. And then we have more than two SIM right here. We have primary, we have cellular data. So you can select the SIM that you want to be a primary one or the other one for like business or for something like that, depending on what you like.